Let us discuss a question on work and energy which came in JEE Mains 2016. So here's the question. A person trying to lose weight by burning fat lifts a mass of 10 kg up to a height of 1 meter 1000 times. Assume that the potential energy lost each time he lowers the mass is dissipated. How much fat will he use up considering the work done only when the weight is lifted up? Fat supplies 3.8 into 10 to power 7 joules of energy per kg, which is converted to mechanical energy with a 20% efficiency rate. Take G equal to 9.8 meters per second square. So let us try to solve this problem. First of all, let us see how much work is done by the person in lifting the mass of 10 kg up to a height of 1 meter. This work will be equal to the increase in the potential energy of the block when it is lifted from the ground to a height of 1 meter. So the work done will be equal to increase in potential energy of the block, and that is equal to mgh. And now let us calculate the work done. So m is 10 kg and g is 9.8 and h is 1 meter. So 98 joules. Now the person lifted the block to a height of 1 meters 1000 times. So the net work done will be equal to 98 into 1000. So 98 kilojoule. Now this work was done by the person because the fat supplied him with energy. So let us calculate how much energy was supplied by the fat. So it is given here that fat supplies 3.8 into 10 to power 7 joules of energy per kg. So let us assume that x kg of fat was burnt. X kg of fat was burnt. So let us calculate how much energy was supplied by x kg of fat. Now let us calculate the energy supplied by the fat. So the energy supplied will be equal to the energy supplied by 1 kg of fat, that is 3.8 into 10 to power 7 joules, into the total amount of fat, that is x kilograms. Now, as it is mentioned in the question, only 20% of this energy will be converted to mechanical energy, and this mechanical energy will allow the person to do the work. So the mechanical energy will be equal to 20% of total energy supplied, that is 20% of 3.8 into 10 to power 7 into x, and this is equal to 20 by 100 into 3.8 into 10 to power 7 into x. Now this mechanical energy is equal to the total amount of work done by the person. So mechanical energy is equal to the work done by the person. So mechanical energy, as we know from here, is 20 by 100 into 3.8 into 10 to power 7 into x equal to the work done. And what was the work done that we calculated? It was 98 kilojoules. So let us substitute it here. 9.8 into 10 to power 3 joules. Now if we solve for x here, we will get x equal to 12.89 into 10 to power minus 3 kilograms. So this will be the amount of fat that will be burnt by the person in lifting the mass of 10 kg up to a height of 1 meter 1000 times.